Hello students, we are going to deal with errors in this video. It is common that when we measure the values, we make a little bit of errors. Errors is nothing but the deviation from the exact value. That is some uncertainty in the measurements. It is not the certain value what it is required. Say for example, if you take any measurement value and the value should be the exact proper value without error is 100, say for example. If you measure the value to be 99.8, then this is somewhat there is some deviation from the exact value, which is called the error. This change is because of any kind of mistakes that is done in the measurement. This is called the uncertainty. This 100 is a certain value and this 99.9 is the deviation in the value, and there is some uncertainty which is called the error. This is actually the error value. And you can understand the errors and the change in the values by two terms, that is accuracy and precision. Accuracy, you would have understood, you would have come across this word called accurate. This is the accurate value. This accuracy is what? How far we measure from the true value. That is, see, this 100 is the true value. That is a certain value. What is needed? That is the exact measurement value. And you have some deviation in the measurement you took. That is 99.8. How much this is closer to this exact value? This is what is called the accuracy. Say for example, if your true value of your height is 5.9 feet, and when you measure with a yardstick, this yardstick is just 1 feet height. That is, you can measure only 1 feet wise. You cannot go for the exact measurement there with the yardstick. So in that case, if the true value of your height is 5.9 feet height, and if you measure with a yardstick, you find that your height is to be approximately 5 feet. Then your deviation, that is a change in the value, which is uncertainty, is 0.9. So this deviation, this variation is called as the accuracy. Okay, so if you have measured it to be 5.8, this is more accurate than the 5 feet. Can you understand? This is very much closer to the true value. How much closer to the true value is what is called the accurate value. Then precision is that how well we measure. That is, when you go for the repeated measurements and you get the same value, even though if it is not true value, then that value is called as the precise value. For example, if the value is 100, and if you take n number of measurement value with different instruments or different situations or different conditions, and you get the same 99.8 as the repeated value, then this is called, it is somewhat close, only 0.2 is different, so it is accurate. And if it is repeatedly you get the same value as the measurable value, then that value is called as the precise one. This is, we are measuring so exactly, but we are getting the same uncertainty, so it is not the matter, and this is called the precision value. So for your understanding, let us go for another example. That is, you have a target shooting board there, and this is your target. This is the shooting target, and when the shooting is done, the gun shots are hit to different points. So you can see that no point is repeated to the same point, and this is all different values, so it is having more deviation from the target point. So this one is not accurate as well as not precise also. And in the second case, you can see that this is the actual target point. You have more deviation from the actual target point. These are the gunshots, so there is more difference. So this is not accurate. But you can see that all the repeated values are focused on the same, mostly the same point. So it is somewhat precise. And this one you can see that this is your target point and all the gunshots are near, very much close. It is not on the exact target point, but it is very much closer to the target point, so it is somewhat accurate. And you can see the repeated shots are also at the same point, so which is precise. So this is the difference between the accuracy and precise.